What is up mga Kasterics? Today, unboxing tayo. So ang i-unbox natin today ay yung Dragon Ball Z Gohan Banpresto Figure Colosseum Dragon Ball Z. Second degree, Mega Saiyan. As you can see yan guys, binili ko to sa Great Toys Online. Yan, top view, side. Sana nakikita nyo na guys, no? And bottom. Okay. This particular figurine was inspired by a Cell SAGA. Yung Cell series na pinalabas noon sa Dragon Ball Z. So yan yung pivotal moment na first time na nakapag Super Saiyan si Son Gohan. And not only that, not only the first time that he became a Super Saiyan, but instead he reached a level of being a Mega Saiyan second degree. So the difference between that two is mas malakas yung Mega Saiyan. Kaya siguro yung hairstyle niya, for me, what I think is like kind of gold. I haven't seen the inside. Well, diba? Today we're doing the unboxing, so lahat tayo sabay-sabay makikita natin yung laman sa loob. Okay, so yeah. So there's also a code of authentication from Toei Animation Enterprises Certificate of License Grant. Okay, so yung artist niya si Yuji Hyo. I don't know if correctly na-pronounce ko yung pangalan niya, pero yun yung sculptor, guys. Okay, release date was May of 2017. 6.24 inches or nasa 16 centimeter tall. Okay, not bad for a figurine, guys. So, unbox na natin. Tignan natin, no? First, kailangan natin ng scissor. Okay. So, ito. Buksan na natin, guys. Okay. Nice. Okay. Cut that thoroughly. Yung box, medyo ingatan natin ng konti. So, ayan guys. There's like things written inside. Mga instructions or like the official website of Banpresto, guys. So, there. I am thoroughly showing you guys what you are going to get, what type of figurine you're about to get. So ayan guys, look, wow, sobrang ganda. Look at the hair, am I right? That's like gold, a representation for me of the second degree Mega Saiyan. Ayan guys, no? And may clear stand. So ayan, may nakasulat, Budokai 7 I guess. Ayan, look guys, it's printed, embossed rather. So, bubuksan na natin si Son Gohan. So, we're about to open the plastic. Well, medyo careful lang tayo, no guys. Siguro simulan natin dito para nahin natin si Gohan, guys. Okay? Bago yung ibang parts. Little bit further. Furthermore. Yan. Tamang gupit pa. Okay guys, medyo sinama ko to sa fitness channel ko kasi namomotivate ako guys magbuhat pag nakikita ko yung mga figurines na to guys. So, as I've said sa mga videos ko, you know, lahat ng nakapag-motivate sa inyo, do it. Have it. Diba? Para lalo kayong ganahan magbuhat. Wow! Look at this guys! It's so awesome! Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. Sobrang pulido guys. I'll show this guys na parang view 360 guys para makita nyo kung paano ginawa yung figurine na to. yung detail niya, guys. Right? Sobrang solid. So, napag muna natin siya dito. We're about to open the stand. Unahin natin tong big table looking na stand. I guess ito yung para, di ba, mas stable enough siya sa ground nang hindi siya mahulog, guys. So, medyo ingat lang tayo sa paggupit din. Good thing about now collecting these things kasi mas maingat ka na ngayon kaysa nung bata ka. So, yan guys, oh. Yung sinasabi ko kanina. Diba? 2 7. So, Bandai. Made in China. Yan yung mga nakalagay, natitira guys. Open din natin yan. Then, i-assemble natin. Boom! Tayo na. Wala siya kadali. Binili ko to sa Feelin Best guys ha, sa may Alabang. Kasi taga South ako. So, legit naman yung mga benta nila doon. Tapos, ang ganda nung place, malaki. Ang dami makikitang mga toys guys. So sa ibang mga bodybuilders dyan na nagko-collect din ng mga laruan guys, I suggest na go ahead and check that place out. Great toys online. Sa ground floor yan ng Festival Mall. Di Ako Bayad. This is not a paid commercial or plug. Sinasabi ko lang kung saan ko siya nabili. Pero kung gusto nyo naman, baka naman, pwede din.
Kapal na mukha mo!
So guys, ito no. Inuna ko yung maliit na part. I got that one. And the last part. Nakat na natin. Ingat lang guys ha. Baka makat nyo yung mga kadaliri nyo. You always have to be careful when using a scissor. You don't want to cut your fingers. Bleed all over the floor. That'll make a mess. So, last part. Yes, this is the stand now, guys. So, yan. Ayusin na natin. Lagay ko dito para makita nyo, guys. Sa laptop. Okay. So, napakadali niyang i-assemble kasi meron siyang parang formation na pag ipapasok mo siya, fit siya dun. So, kapag hindi siya maipasok, huwag niyong piliting ipasok.
Stop it. Get some help.
So, ayan guys. Diba? Parang Lego lang siya. Kung nag-Lego ka nung bata ka, I'm pretty sure na napakadali lang to sa'yo guys. Okay, mga aesthetics, boom, pasok. Swak na swak. Ayan. Pag ayaw pumasok, huwag pilitin. Medyo maluwag. Ay, remedyo naman natin yan. So, yan. No, guys? Ikakapit na natin siya para nakatayo na siya. Tapin natin yung yoke. Mag-ingat lang muna tayo, no? Yun, no? Pasok na pasok. Yo! Double check, double check. Keep it tight, guys, yung pagkabit para hindi siya loosen nang hindi siya biglang mahulog, guys. Hassle yun. Baka ma-damage yung figurine nyo. So, yun na nga, guys! Look at that, mga aesthetics. Aesthetic na aesthetic. Look at the bicep, the chest, the arms, the shoulders, man, legs, back. Boom! Diba? Kasi ba hindi gaganahan magbuhat, guys? No? So, ito. Pakita ko sa inyo muna yung video montage. Okay guys, we are done with our unboxing. Super Saiyan, Mega Saiyan, second degree, Gohan. Son Gohan, guys. As you can see, ang ganda. Very much satisfied with this figurine. Thank you for watching, guys. For those people who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment. And I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. So this has been Aesthetics 777, giving you guys content each and every week. So stay tuned, stay fit, stay healthy. God bless everyone. Sevens up. Peace out.